This house is the same age as myself. This was our family home and I took it over 3 years ago. It would be a traditional Irish family home, always seemed to be very 80s. And I wanted to change it so I can continue living here and create new memories in it. You don't want to necessarily lose all of that from your home, but you do want to change it and make it your own, put your own mark on it and start to build your own life and memories there. I wanted every room to be entirely different, so it felt like almost they were parts of different houses, because that made it easier then to do up one at a later date. In a sense, nothing goes with each other, and that makes it easier to buy things to suit it or to make changes in it. I wanted to keep some of the family past, you know, the pages of the old family dictionary that we fought over playing Scrabble. You'd begin a room and it unfolds in a different way than you expected. A lot of my friends would have said to me, that's not going to work, that colour doesn't go well, that's too dark, that's too bright, it won't look great. Do it. You know, then you'll never regret it. You can change it if you don't like it, but you'll never regret not having tried it. It's your little haven, it's your place where you want to feel safe and comfortable and of course proud of.